Welcome. This video will introduce you to the SALT approach resources and how they can transform faith formation for children and teachers. SALT is grounded in a proven educational pedagogy inspired by Maria Montessori and Sofia Cavalletti. It is an approach that recognizes how deeply children learn when their senses, imagination, and capacity for wonder are fully engaged. Through visual and tactile experiences, children build deep and lasting memories that they can return to throughout their lives. That's why SALT provides beautiful, accessible materials that can stand as individual presentations or be matched to religious education curricula. They are designed to give catechists and teachers the confidence and tools they need to bring faith to life by introducing the realities of Jesus' life on earth, the places he lived, and the church he established. SALT introduces Catholic doctrine not just as information, but as the means to building a personal relationship with God. We invite you to explore SALT and discover a way of teaching that touches both students and teachers with the wonder of God and our Catholic faith.